What's up, good people? It's your boy, Uncle Larry. Hey, I'm going to talk about what Cathie Woods is talking about Tesla, how far she thinks or how high she thinks the stock price is going to go. And yeah, your boy's back. And we'll talk about the elephant in the room, that and more in a few secs. First of all, if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. For those of you that's been rolling with your boy, we all family here, go ahead and hit the like button. All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Of course, you can see I'm not in my regular studio, right? All right, all kidding aside, I shaved the beard off. The missus made me do it. It's her fault, all right? Her name is Holly Jones, so if you got any complaints, no, I'm just joking. She gonna kill me. Actually, she stepped away and I'm not even supposed to be making any, I'm not supposed to be doing nothing until Monday. So if y'all see like the fear of God come from my face and like the camera goes black and I run out of the room, that means I hear my wife coming. I'm not supposed to be doing anything until Monday. Those of you that was praying for your boy, I appreciate it. Surgery went well. I was in a lot of pain, okay? A lot of pain. But surgery went well, and I decided to shave the beard because this is how I normally look before I start growing that. I call it my Corona beard. And so this is how I look, all right, good people? Hey, it's the new me, new improved. All right, let's talk about Tesla before my wife gets in. Let's talk. I can't laugh, y'all. It hurts to laugh, all right? Let's talk about Tesla and Cathie Wood. As a matter of fact, let's look at this report by Bloomberg, all right? Cathie Wood's Ark Investment Management expects Tesla to hit 3,000 by 2025, right? All right, up from its current price of $655, all right? At that price, the company will be worth $3 trillion. Right? More than Apple. $3 trillion, all right, on the number of outstanding shares. ARK expects a 50% chance of Tesla achieve fully autonomous driving within 5 years, which is everything. That autonomous driving, driverless taxis coming to pick you up, driverless Uber, coming to deliver your food or to pick you up. That is, you can't even put a price value on that yet. It's so futuristic, all right? Let's keep reading. This is what I wanted to get to, all right? This is what's really crazy. According to ARK's new model, right? In its best case scenario, it could hit 4,000 by 2025. And in its bear case, 1,500. Which is more than 100% over where it is now, right? And they have a couple of more models. The $3,000 target is far higher than, of course, any other analysts have. Cathie Woods, for those of you that invested in Tesla in 2020, she called Tesla. She was the first one that said Tesla was going to be 700, then 1,500. And it hit all of the price points that she said it was going to hit. And she was on a lot of these shows, Bloomberg, CNBC, Fox Business, and essentially got laughed off of TV pretty much. They all challenged her. They looked at her like she was crazy because she understands that Tesla is not a car company, good people. Tesla is not confined to making cars. Tesla is a technology company. You got to look at what Tesla's future looks like. All right. There's so many things. You have, of course, the Tesla cars. You have the long distance batteries that they're working on. You have the $25,000 and $30,000 cars that they're working on. So it's not just going to be the elite, just like CCIV. What they do is they start with their most expensive car so they can make the biggest profit margins first. So they're collecting cash. Then they go down to SUVs and then to the cars. Remember this, Tesla is ahead of the game. Tesla has done a lot of R&D and have spent a lot of money on R&D. So they're ahead of everybody else. And as far as the autonomous driving game, Tesla's far ahead of everyone else. And I believe the number 2 is CCIV, or soon to be Lordstown, Churchill 4 in Lordstown. Of course, we know that autonomous driving is going to be big, but Tesla has so many things in the pipeline. All right, I'm gonna take a little water. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm a little dehydrated. I know my wife is she's gonna kill me, y'all. So, and if I keep looking like I'm scared because I keep hearing things and I think she's coming, but I'm sorry, I can't laugh. But anyway, Tesla is one of these companies that is so innovative. They have roofing shingles that are solar panels that when they all put together, it's actually a really nice looking roof. And it doesn't look like those big sheets of solar panels that went over the houses in the 80s. It's a unified system. So you'll be able to buy their roofing system. They're working on getting the price down and making the product better. And now your roof is generating its own energy, which you'll be able to sell it back to your energy companies. Excuse me. So your house will literally be on its own grid, right? I mean, they got HVAC systems that will heat and cool your house that they're working on. And the biggest of all, they got autonomous driving, which they're by far heads and shoulders like past everybody else because they've been doing a lot of R&D. So many miles on the road, test driving. They're so far ahead. And so they are going to make money. And the amount of money that they're going to make in the future is worth more than the money that they're making now. The technology that they're going to be entering into is going to make actually more money than Tesla has already made. So this price prediction that Cathie Woods is talking about seems bullish, but I will sign off and say I absolutely agree with it. Now, here's what I would say to you guys that are listening. If you're not in a Tesla, which is fine, you have to understand this, good people. For those of you that's going to buy Tesla right now that's at 650, let's say, it might go down. It might go down to 6. There might still be some volatility. Monday morning, it could pop based on this news. And then Tuesday, it could be a sell-off. Any of this could happen. But what I'm telling you guys is you should be in Tesla long. You should be in Tesla no sooner than 2025 should you even think about selling any of your Tesla, because you're going to make money long term, good people. And so that's what I want to talk about with Tesla. It is an investment. We should look at investing money and not just day trading. So we got to look at the market overall. Let's talk about that for a minute. So if you notice, when tech is down, banks are up. When banks are down, tech is up. And they're never at the same time, because when the market bond yields are going up like they are, and all the talk about interest rates and inflation, when all of that comes into play without getting into a lot of details, people, especially institutions, they tend to run towards Bank of America, Citibank, those type of banks and those international banks and local banks. So what happens is it's safer in banks because if interest rates goes up, banks make more money. So institutions put their money in banks when the market is volatile, right? And when the bond yields start going up. So they feel like it's a safer bet than watching money, watching the market just go lose a lot of money and then come back and then lose a lot of money. It's safer there, right? And what happens is tech gets hit the most. The reason why I'm telling you guys this is I want you to be prepared. If you buy Tesla, then don't fret the small stuff. Don't lose your mind if there's some volatility. As a matter of fact, I will tell you that if you're listening to this, don't go and invest all your money in the Tesla right now. Only invest part of your money. Take whatever you have and split it up into 3 parts or even into 4 parts. And so this is the way you buy Tesla. Then you buy some, and then if there's a sell-off Tuesday, then you double down and buy some more. The only way you can do that is not putting all your money in at once if you want to buy Tesla. I'm predicting that Tesla will be 900 by the end of the year. If you want a short-term play, then do that. The end of the year means it could be the end of this year or first quarter of next year. That's what I'm predicting on Tesla. But I'm telling you guys, the way to make money in this market the way it is now is to A, dollar cost average in, B, buy these dips, but hold a stock like Tesla long, right? Now, if you're hearing this and it's Saturday or Sunday on the weekend, hopefully you hear it, and I'm still living by Monday if my wife doesn't kill me, then I will tell you that I'm going to slip in Webull right here. This is why you need an app like Webull. When you have an investment app, there's 2 things you need to be able to do, especially if you don't have a lot of money and you're new to investing. You should have an app that allows you to buy fractional shares. And you should also have an app that allows you to trade before and after the market closes. Those 2 things I think is a must. And one that you can get a person on the phone if you're new. Those 3 things I think is a must. Now, I have Fidelity, and Fidelity I use for my fractional shares. If you have Robinhood, or AKA Robin the Hood, then you could do fractional shares. But you also need something like Webull. Here in the Chicagoland area, let's say you live in New York, you could start trading 4 a.m. all the way until 8 p.m., right? Here in Chicago, 5 a.m. until 7 p.m. If you're in LA, you do the math, all right? Because, that time difference. But you do the math. And so that's why I'm suggesting that you click the link below, download the Webull app, and deposit $100. You're going to get a free stock for just opening up, and then they're going to give you another free stock worth up to $1,850, right? Just by opening it up, depositing $100. So click the link below. Now, this is why I've been really pushing Webull, because on days like this, Cathie Woods made this announcement Friday after the market closed, right? So now, when is a good time to buy it? Monday morning, right? Before the market opens. And you can't do that if you don't have the proper tools. So that's why I'm pushing Webull. And at the end of this, I'm going to play a little promo. Webull asked your boy to do a little promo. It's their 5th year anniversary, so I'm going to play that at the end. But hey, I'm going to just keep it right there and shut this thing down before my wife gets here. Prayerfully and hopefully I'll be with you guys Monday. I don't know how this light is looking. I'm in my kitchen, and I want to thank each and every one of you for praying for your boy. I'm getting my strength back. Man, I was in so much pain. But thank you guys for praying for me. Thank my good buddy Mark Montoro for checking in on me. Thank my good buddy Ron Lewis. Man, it pays to have good friends. Thank Terry Sanders, he's actually a bishop, for praying for me. Hey, and all of you guys, I read every well wish. I really, really do appreciate it. And I feel my strength coming back. And prayerfully, I'll be back with you guys on Monday, good people. All right. Hey, as always, and signing off, live, love, laugh, and learn. My heart just jumped. I thought I heard the door. All right, good people. I'll see you later. Peace. Hello, my name is Larry Jones from Stock Up with Larry Jones, and I want to talk about this wonderful app called Webull. I am a big fan of Webull. Number one, the fact that I could trade hours before the market opens and hours after it closes, that I can have a phone-friendly app and the necessary tools that set me up for success. As a matter of fact, the longer I use Webull, the more savvier investor I become. And I also love the fact that if you're new, you can deposit $100, get 2 free stock worth up to $1,850. Hey, This is an app that I could get behind. This is a company that I can get behind. As an influencer for the last couple of months, I can tell you the customer service has been impeccable. I can call a number. I can talk to a real live person that actually knows what they're doing. Okay? For those of you that haven't done it already, click the link below, download the app, deposit $100, and be on your way to more savvier investments. All right? Hey, happy birthday. Happy 5th birthday, Weeble.